Atto nko na we mesi samusimu pese mu dipre ye behwe wa hanom samusimu kita tumi ye behwe
abuza from mu nyina makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so but omo dey so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho maybe hum be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho by be hum be from Mr. President Amejo so ko yin na edwum say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey e dey into Sudan say man we need that chi bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra momi enko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
Hey! Kanye! Ghana for Mahuma now dame top no. Wasaka humbiumo. Wase, and you may cost Ghana Haseno. Or no NDC ni. Nemom, dear Finance Minister, Cassiel H0e or Ghana for no. Nani nyo home. Wase, NDC Mantia, omu recruit you omodi omko national security. Up to now, Emranti ni enti omoka. Emrantia omu ye patupa, eye NDC adwuma esesa omko che national security ni government agencies ni mu no, ye enti omoka. Ubi so omo a, omo se H0e say sika bia ni wa de ministries, department and agencies. Jono enam the presidential ambition a oped into no. Wa tena sika no so, ama Emrantia ni maba wa omu ye adwuma ma NDC no, omo sofa. Na on the otwa say H0e ebe ba beka so be president di no be hu djuma wodi bedi no omieti asema oka ewia de ho ne beka to aso
they say ifo ayi adwuma na muntuo mo kakra what kind of that security for nano boys national no munyina complain what is that okay na aton clear H0e nko na ye adwuma me wi ni abawe H0e nko na we mesi samusimu pese mu di pre ye behwe wa hanom samusimu kita tumi ye behwe. So to me be see internet where and any Nyame we shall see. This is not a warning, but we will use our power. Powers now you may say we will use what they say wa. Moba chire blogger moba ko funding na ya djuma. Mo kwa no go mo 2000. Movie say na de bobra. O waji position de ball ho ban, ball ho bra. Obi ba no 1000 2000 man. Movie so ma Jimmy won. Ya be Send a minister and also say no no. Your bedroom maybe your bedroom 6 December be now opposition now start. Now both say yes. Say now we need to me. And check and this is for now more from one. Mumini ye mumobi meya muyantuma we dabi aya interest sana politics abe. Mamu mo bi anfa mo mamu life media agro. Mo bia mejina onke cancer mo de debia on your baby okita card baby ono no ho fa no. Eti mane mekeka nsem nchro ebi mo di party we achia for tanya to mo ni omabusia so ebi mo di party we achia madwuma mo ye nyina abobo emu mo di party we achi ye koto aba me constituency am free nkofo am ko organize omo a omo nyina degree holders sir one mo man pooling agents ye wini a ye be pe slot ba ko kra de komo mo wo de komo mo abekọ na ahwiri why na wo ko frɛ no Ufra minister no po onfa. Nkola na modi a degree for na mo maya no mo koye pooling agent no. And na men san ko gina o mani mu kan cho mo se wo ma puli. O de o ma gimi. Mu mani atese nkola we mu. And kola na ye de o mo ye pooling agent no. And na ye mu bi ni etimi absorb pressure. Sometimes we call them and give them something. And we can't even talk to them because we lie to them. That's a lie. Where make obi baba be gina na asamba hey wo wasema ye to yebo akona koto hobo oh baby people are suffering obi bros ye to yebo mfan asamba ne yanko kan jo mu biem. What are we going to tell them? Asiyasɛm kwa yɛbɛka daa me mma wo hɔ me hwɛmani memba nti meka na wo sɛ wagyi me nti makanti no wonya ya I don't give a fuck about it because I'm not honorable minister. I'm not coming to you, you know. I will never step at your office. No I be down ho akyerɛkyerɛ memba nti wonya me ti me metra aka na me se mo amuso mbedi president na mo be pre no wo a wonye bibi a obetu na yi wanim ne de be ye wo internet yi so no wo eye woni a waye bibi wo a waye bibi na mo delegate mo obi a medada obiem ye mpene ono no hye na wanya no wo de we
finance minister Kasiel H0e abrante na to ball na to court mo was the problem I koso Ghana ha nyina H0e na diba was ya rikopoku minister for agric also mani sika omo a ebeye possible sir on betimi ni wa contest presidential primaries no why you say o bomb mafia o bohare na dusu mafia enti ontimi nya sika na odi bia man nkofo o bo rikopoku mafia wonya sika ade afa nkofo aboa NDC party no boys no amomanya kwan ato abama no to why you say o bomb ministers ni na abro na sika ni na bedi untwen nya se mokọ primaries a wonya sika ade ama NDC for executives ene asia hene ne etu ahene for no makoto abama amwa we ni abaya flag bearer of the NDC na padm0re so o ka chaw say unkudi a unkone o se mra bebedu a 7th December bi be pie wo abrabom eno ena ye mra yakoto aba na no ena abehwehwe omo a udi omo kogu adwuma mu a wuntie omo ka no na ho ena obebe frɛ NDC for say omo emesin koye campaign emrante ne mabawa mafo omo adwuma mu a muntie omo ka no mo beba omo na ase so omo emesin koye campaign mamo na ho ena abehu say unya obi ama ne koye adwuma mamo
so ene da no si mu de bia ye ka ho asem oman we just yenim oman ni issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections eko eno ma Dr. Bawumia eden na de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni na meyama mo na abusia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan serious so can in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi say leaders are KBA the new patriotic party the leaders of the party KBA borrow omodom kwa another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is because of time. But those ones yetimi component, go and see how they have been operationalized. And then look, I say we have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many look, I say hospitals and they go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan who saying no man in Abeya. And this can crack the was I go to me say, oh, I mean, say, almost same people for comfort. Name my comfort my sacrifice discard to what the hospitals, most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitator, me on funded free seniors, most of my comfort. You say, any Ghana for debut. I find that tables net 10 after the Mokikem Makaka. Why are they shouting? Ubian Kanum to them call. I saw from among common into with the greatest of it, among common into them queen in chief imam for them common to them queen in politicians didn't come into them queen in market women among common into them queen now. Ubian Kanum to them queen in 2020 they will know the way forward. Yet you come over so no bow no the credit scoring system, but I must open conking. Nancy bibi ni na kasa de sebi ye bibi ayen kitinkiti ya adwen kitinkiti ye bibi ye bia invest kwa ye hen kitinkiti. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open koko kitinkiti. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most open koko kitinkiti. You see anyone? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. na ne yete ne nyine ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kyerɛ me na wo ne wo sia kyerɛ me sɛ bi me na me ko ka kyerɛ Adwo Dramani ma sɛ o mema was come to butu wa ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi digitalization and to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam ye wo krom ha ya e de Adwo Dramani ma ko gina efese enkranfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mo hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay ne beto ba na ma bum mo to ba ma kinki government a etimi
Say dear ko ye kwa de menu now to me who letter be a yoko for troye about Council of State member voter region. Now me say films hey Remona Chapa ya happen say where ye can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, any letter now was say Council of State member no ye former staff Emanam one, which is never true.
Onya
Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. I'm a number one for the first time. Number one I post. Oh yes, number one I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say oh, the bois.
Or sister, I'm not. Listen for the first time. Number one and kwa baby akwa dan. And then number one. Yes. Not just say. What's in Ukraine? Say state institution. We are intelligence institution. Who need intel?
Ayeka, bro.
Problem ni nyina say
economy no kwa na
problem ni nyina say papa or Council of State member or company to good before grab good board beba no to me create a good board alliances no to me to good to me to good etimi good kwa manone ano ne adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply of good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months we team supply good no over 75%. Omu koswa na se maintain mo ase ba wone nipa na oni business. Ena nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko. Se osusi se nipa na sisi no. Yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy, we take omu statement. Ama o grant omu bo mo koi. Wa court. Yoko na court o. O court no. Court will really dey tiawo. Say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because Yoko is a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fizzy on my account without authorization. And I say order from court. And as High Court really say the only unique case. What ferry akona koda afi the old fediana afi the was by us say any mokra mo da mempemubium adwuma wura nankasa na mepenache no. We invite in our my no issue document say we're a fugitive. Jane. Thank you. Personal attack as if say your office one and they use any personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No, Raymond Wankasa, me Martin Yamabemi and Sabia. I don't want to talk about
Nana, me see the member who know what they're very soon who recordings a BP. Very soon who recordings are a BP. And this state institutions are on Sano Huno, no crash, I'm sorry, I'm for NDC for my Giagu. Yes, Penny say, Achianese Muye, as Nabibunina, Giagu. Busame, and I am saying, when you see a film 2026, Yantra Juma, you kwaya Ghana as a country, Yanyahu benefit. Yantre Ejuma as Attorney General Aya Ghana for Yanyahu benefit.
You have said that what you have done in your constituency in the last 1 year, no one has done it before, or no member of parliament from Gumwa Central has been able to do that. That's a very strong claim. What are the tangible successes that you can point to for people to know that indeed you actually have worked for your people?
I'm going to say just one thing.
Okay.
Because I know we don't have all the time.
Yes.
Last year, in 2024 alone, I saw people on social media, and not on social media, but traditional media, claiming that they have given people 30 people scholarship. And so it was newsworthy.
You mean your colleague MPs?
Yes, some MPs. And when I saw it, I was like, really? And I didn't organize a press conference because last year alone, I gave people I gave 150 people scholarship to go to universities.